It's the summer season, so there's nothing better than an outdoor barbecue. So join me in location as we cook some delicious barbecue recipes and I give you some tips for this summer. Slice a bag full of lemons and squeeze out all that fresh juice. Slice some chunks of lemon and lime and pass them into a container with fresh mint. Give it a good slap. Top it up with 1 liter of sparkling water, a sprinkling of demerara sugar, and a cheeky glass of almond liqueur. Stir it together and have some fun. Voila, a fresh summer lemonade cocktail.